A federal court has refused to reinstate President Donald Trump's travel ban.
A three-judge panel ruled unanimously that they would not reinstate the ban immediately, as the president's attorney had argued for. Esme Murphy has been following these latest developments late today. This has really been a whirlwind.
Yeah, absolutely. This just came in 40 minutes ago, and it's important, Amelia and Liz. This is Minnesota's case, along with the state of Washington versus, the case is actually called the states of Minnesota and Washington versus Donald Trump. Now, a lot of analysts thought, judging by the questions that were asked during that hearing 2 days ago, that the president would likely lose 2-1. But he actually ended up losing 3-0. All three judges agreed with the states of Minnesota and Washington, who had argued that reinstating the ban would create chaos and be terrible for the people of those states. Now, the court said the public also has an interest in free flow of travel, in avoiding separation of families, and in freedom from discrimination. Now, moments ago, the president tweeted, "See you in court. The security of our nation is at stake." Now, I have gotten reaction from a number of people. Both Keith Downey, the chair of the Minnesota Republican Party, and Janet Beihofer, a Republican National Committee woman from Minnesota, said the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals has a liberal bias. And Mr. Downey said he is convinced that President Trump's ban will eventually prevail and be held up in court. I also spoke with a prominent imam in the last half hour, Abdi Salam Adam of the Dar al-Hijra Mosque. He sees it very differently. He says this is a great day for the Somali American community and that people in the community will be really excited. What's important to remember is that this does not mean that the president has lost. What this does is it sends it back to the lower court, and the lower court could still fine for the president. However, it's that lower court that put the temporary restraining order in place. Yeah. The president could also appeal to the U.S. Supreme Court, which is short of justice. If there's a tie in the Supreme Court, which could happen, 4-4, the lower court ruling will stand, and so far the lower courts have sided with Minnesota and Washington and against the president. So this really is a big blow to President Trump.
And we've obviously heard his response on Twitter. Probably still
I think
expect more tonight.
I expect there'll be more tonight, yes.
Okay.
All right. Thanks, Esme.
And stay with WCCO on TV and online for continuing coverage as the travel ban remains on hold.